Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome. So friends, if you have been following me for a while, you know that I am doing Air Fryer February, where I am posting a link or a video for a air fryer recipe every day in the month of February. So friends, if you're not following me over on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, please go check me out at Mama Needs a Goal over there, because I'll be sharing links some days I'll be posting a video here on YouTube, but every day in the month of February I will be posting an air fryer recipe. I have found a ton of yummy recipes that I think you all will enjoy. So today I am having meatloaf for dinner, and I love potatoes and carrots with meatloaf, and I thought, you know what, let's try something different. And I found this air fryer carrot fries recipe. It's from masonfit.com. I will post a link in the description box to this recipe for you. That way you can go over, click on it, and print it out. You know, spread the love. Let's thank him for putting this out there. So I really wanted to share this with you guys. So the ingredients that we're going to be using today, obviously, is carrots, some garlic, some red pepper flakes, some pepper, some Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and just a little bit of parsley. So friends, let's turn the camera down and get these fries made. All right, my friends, I went ahead, cut up all my carrots. I'm going to go ahead and add the olive oil and garlic. Mix that up really well. I'm going to sprinkle in my Parmesan cheese, pepper, and red pepper flakes. Give it a nice stir. And then we're going to go ahead and get the rest of this out. Finish it up. Alright, we're going to go ahead now and get... Oh, another blooper in the kitchen. I think every video. Alright friends, we're going to go ahead and put this on our tray. Since this is coated in olive oil, I'm not going to spray the pan. Let's take it over to the air fryer and get it in the air fryer. Alright my friends, we're going to go ahead and put it on 350. I'm going to put it in for 8 minutes. And then we're going to take it out and shake it up. Then put it in for another 8 minutes. Alright. There we go. Alright my friends. Ooh, they look good. Go ahead and toss them around a little bit. Oh shoot! Did y'all see that? Oh my goodness. Oh goodness. Just another day in the brown house. Alright, let's make sure we get them separated. Alright, let's go ahead and put those back in for another 8 minutes. Oops. There we go. Hi, puppy. Tracy, what you doing, puppy? What you doing? Huh? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Alright, my friends. Oh, they look... Oh, they almost look like sweet potato fries. Oh, yeah. Oh, speaking of sweet potato fries, I wouldn't mind having some of those too. Oh, these look delicious. Oh, friends, look at that. Don't they look delicious? Oh, wow. I cannot wait to try these. Let me get my plate ready and we will do a taste test. All right, my friends, so it's dinner time here and the light's hitting my white plate. Can you see it? There we go. Oh. Let's do a quick taste test. These are good. I really like these a lot. These are really, really good, friends. Really good. I'm going to take my plate over, head to the table, join the family, and eat my dinner. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that little bell because it'll notify you every time I have a new video coming out. And don't forget to check out Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I'll be posting every day a link or a link to a recipe or a video for Air Fryer February. And don't forget, the full recipe will be over at masonfit.com. This is really good, friends. It's excellent. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.